Welcome back to my channel, dolls, and today we are here to do another makeup look. Now, what do I want to do today? I'm thinking something with a little bit of color. Now, if you guys are interested in how I do my brows, I will leave that tutorial down below and probably up above too. Now, if you have not already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, girl. What is you waiting on? Go ahead, girl. Jumping straight into this, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with my Urban Decay primer, and I'm going to follow that with my NYX Jumbo pencil in the color Milk. Using from my Juvia's Zulu palette, I'm taking that orange color and a fluffy brush, and I'm just putting that below my brow bone. Now, using a tapered blending brush, I'm taking that cranberry color and putting it right along the same edge line of that orange. And they will never love you like I do. Now, I'm taking that same first blending brush and blending those harsh lines out. Meanwhile, she's at home all alone and she's watching, wanting everything. Now I'm going to take this purple with a angled brush and put this directly into my crease. You right for me, boy, you know that I got you. Love of my life, boy, I finally found you. They don't love you like I do. And now I'm going back with that same cranberry fluffy brush and cleaning up those harsh lines. Go through the world to hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. So to darken up that purple, I'm taking a black eyeshadow. This is really old, you guys, so I don't even want to give you the name because I'm sure it's discontinued, but I'm just darkening up that purple. And I always make sure I go through and just blend out those harsh lines every time I add a new eyeshadow. So now I'm cutting my crease with my favorite concealer, my NYX Gotcha Cover Concealer in the color Golden. And I'll be the one that you hitting up. You calling and texting up, finally pick up. You missing my love and you craving my touch. You want it, you need it, you can't get enough. You tell me come over, then I just hang up. Hey, cause I'm on my way. Telling you I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Baby, I'm on my way. Using an eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to take this yellow and put it all over that concealer. Now I'm going to put some more of that purple into my inner corner. They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do. Go through the world to hold you down like I do. And I also want to put a little touch of that cranberry in the inner corner as well. They will never run like I do. They don't give a damn about you. And they will never love you like I do. Now I'm just going in with my eyeshadow brush and blending that yellow and that cranberry. So I want some pops of color underneath my eyes, so I'm going to go in with this yellow first, and then I'm going to add a few more other colors. I'm taking this green from the Zulu palette. Next, I'm taking this blue from my Mayo pigment stack. No. Hey. And then I'm going to finish it off with that same purple. When everything's going wrong, you feel all alone. Let me be the one. I'm loving how it's looking so far, so now it's time to pop on some lashes. Now I want a thin layer of eyeliner, so I'm taking my Maybelline Studio Liner and just making a really thin line right beside my lash. Alright y'all, so we have finished our eyes. Now it's time to work on this face. I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face with my favorite moisturizer, followed by my Tarte primer. They will never care like I do. Go through the world to hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you. Now for a little bit of glow, I am taking my L'Oreal Glow Sheen and putting that right over that primer, and I'm going to cover all of this with my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation using some of my favorite Morphe brushes. Meanwhile, she's
at home all alone.
To set that foundation, I will be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in combination with the Age Rewind concealer underneath my eyes.
She see you like I do. You right for me.
And I'm just going to add that concealer anywhere that I would naturally highlight my face.
They don't love you like I do.
Using my Morphe G2 brush, I'm just going in and blending out that concealer.
Like I do. Go through the worst to hold you down like I do.
Now I'm taking my NYX Gotcha Covered concealer and going over those same areas that I just finished concealing just to highlight.
And they will never love you like I do. How many times will it take for you?
Now you want to make sure you always go back in with your foundation brush and blend out any of those harsh lines. Now to contour my face, I will be using this Black Radiance Contour with my Sigma brush. I love this brush for contouring, you guys, but you have to grab little product because this is extremely dark, so less is always more.
Then I just hang up, hey, 'cause I'm on my way, telling you I'm on my way, yeah, I'm on my way, baby, I'm on my way, won't love you, won't touch you.
And I'm just going back in with that same brush and blending that contour out.
Yeah. They don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do.
Now to set the cream contour and deepen the color a little bit, I'm going in with the Black Radiance powder and just going over that same contour.
Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They will never run like I do. They don't give a damn about you. And they will never love you like I do. It's cute for that beat again.
Y'all know I gotta go back in and blend.
Hey,
It's cute for that beat again.
when everything's going wrong, you feel all alone.
Now to set my concealer, I am using my Airspun loose powder with my beauty blender.
I'll be here till the end if you let me. These other girls don't give a damn about you. It's not you they see, but the things you do. And they can tell you anything you wanna hear, sending pictures with their clothes off. But I hope you don't forget that they don't love you like I do.
And I like to cut right beside my contour just to deepen that contour a little bit. And you want to make sure you blend that out and set that as well.
Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't never ride like I do. They don't give a damn about you. And they will never love you like I do. See us doing great, we're engaged, posting pictures, looking good. You're taking me on shopping sprees, telling me I'm your everything. Meanwhile, she's at home all alone.
Now you do not want to forget your mascara, ladies. I'm using my L'Oreal Paradise mascara.
Yeah, she see you do, she see you like I do. You right for me, boy, you know that I got you.
And now to add some highlight with my Maybelline Master Chrome in the color Molten Gold.
Like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do. Go through the worst to hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do. They don't give a damn about you. And they will never love you like I do. How many times will it take for you to
Now I'm just using this cheap lip liner that I got from the beauty supply store. It is in the color Chestnut. And I will be filling in my lips with my ColourPop Growing Pains liquid lipstick.
love you, then I give a fuck. And I'll be the one that you hitting up. You calling and texting, I finally pick up. You missing my love and you craving my touch. You want it, you need it, you can't get it.
Now I want a little bit of a glossy look, so I'm just popping on some lip gloss on top of that, following with my NYX Dewy Studio Spray, and here's my finished product.
Baby, I'm on my way. Won't love you, won't touch you, won't put it down like I do. No, yeah. They don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do. Go through the world, still hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one.